welcome back to my channel. I'm BoDaVinci. For anyone out there who's a protective hairstyle lover or a faux lock lover like myself, you guys, this hairdo took me all of 2 hours total, okay? And they're so bomb. Like, I told myself I would never do crochet faux locks, and you guys, super cute, very easy, very beginner friendly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share with anyone who would be interested in this video. And yeah, let's start.
Stop playing with him.
BoDaVinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Okay, so we're gonna start off by separating our hair. What I noticed is that the smaller the sections for these individual braids, the better the faux locks are gonna turn out looking, pretty much. If you have like big chunks, like big old jumbo, they're gonna just be too spacious and they're not gonna look natural. But what I'm doing now is I'm putting the crochet needle through my hair, then I'm putting the faux lock on. You're gonna see I'm gonna bring the faux lock in my hair through the hole, kind of like secure it a bit. I'm low-key going to unravel it just a little, the same direction that it's twisted in, and then I'm gonna twist that around my braid. That's literally all that I did, and this hairstyle took me an hour and a half, and I'm just so flabbergasted because I told myself that I would never do crochet faux locks, and they're kind of cute. So yeah, here I am. I'm just doing it again a little up close. So yeah, you can just check it out. If you have any questions, leave them below. Super easy, y'all. Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. This hairdo is very lightweight. It's been 2 weeks since my install, and every day that I've been wearing them, like the nappier my hair looks, the better the hair looks, you know? So it's been 2.5 weeks now, and yeah, they're so fire. But yeah, I started running out of crochet hair, so I just took some of my old wrapping hair and wrapped it for like 3 crochets. Yeah, but not a lot, just like 3. But here I am, I'm like unraveling the ends because I don't know if you guys can tell, but the ends are kind of skinny. So yeah, I'm just unraveling them so they can look a bit more natural. Then I'm going to slick my edges down. And yeah, that really just swooshes it into place. And this hairdo is finished. And I'm actually in love. I've been wearing it in this cute top. Oh yes, it's so cute. But thanks for watching. You guys can just check out the rest of it. And yeah. I would just tell you guys to try it. It's cheap. I use 2 packs of hair, and yeah, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. We just hit 10,000 lovely supporters. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that. It's